Hello people, I wanted to apologize because when I exported shortcut keywords, this drag and drop didn't work and this didn't work because what I was supposed to do in preferences when I have chosen input, I should have edited default Blender keyboard interaction, which is included in one of our catalog. I did not do that. For example, when I go to program, scripts, presets, key config, I was supposed to modify original file Blender, and instead of choosing Maya preset, because what I was missing one feature. Drag and drop. This one I didn't have. Sorry for that, guys. Now I exported to now I exported new keyboard layouts for you. I will show you Autodesk Maya Keylab, this one. Blender Autodesk Maya, copy of the same. Blender 2.80 Maya Keylab. And this is important. This one is better, so you can double click and deselect. You can use shift and select edges, loop selection. You can use control and double click ring selection. Alt left mouse button rotation on, alt middle mouse button moving 3D viewport, alt and right mouse button zoom in out, alt left mouse button rotate, F button for view selected. What else? W for gizmo moving, E for rotation, R for scaling, T for transform. T, W, E, this is R. I assigned already shortcut keywords. Shift G works for duplication. Second, easily deselect. I will check. Oh no, I will have to. No, this is no good. I'm not happy because of this. I thought I was able to select. No, this is not good. I will have to assign keyboard. I think I will be able to do this. I thought I was able to select next element because I modified everything. But I can still do this in select option. But I have to find which is related to object. Probably toggle selection instead of control shift. Oh yes, now it's working. No, I have to change. Press. Why middle? Oh, it works okay. No, it's working okay. I had to change keyboard. Another thing when you export Autodesk Maya, which one I should replace? This one. And I will replace this one. What you have to do when you did that, save preferences. I have to quit my program. You have to log to factory settings. You have to, because your shortcut keyboard which you modified won't work if you don't load to factory settings. I will check one of them. This has been modified. make sure you select this folder, scripts, presets, key config. I have replaced this because otherwise when you import key preset it won't work. Now I will check my shortcut keywords, they work. I have to double check everything. When you want to restore settings, make sure you check CUDA, AMD-FX Prox CPU, then themes if you don't like dark interface, then in interface check this is important, the most important, and this, very important. Now I have to check if my keyboard shortcut works. Hopefully, now I have to duplicate this object, Shift D. Shift works when I select second object. Come on, why isn't it working? I replaced this. I think I have chosen a wrong input. This one. Aha, because I have chosen a wrong input. Now it's working, okay? But I have to check. Control R is working. W, E, R, T is working. F, Alt, left mouse button. Everything is working. Alt, E, and middle mouse button. This selection. I have to check if I can select edges. I shouldn't really copy the same shortcut keyboard layout. Sorry for this, I forgotten to mention, if you got double names, the same name I have got here, you have to replace your files. Where is that catalog? Which one is this? I have to quit my program. This one. What I have to do? Your shortcut keywords will work, but make sure you don't have duplicate name of this. I have to double check if what I wanted to check. Okay, this is working. Control and middle mouse button for selection is working. Great, wonderful. This is what I wanted. This is working as well, so you won't have any issue. You should modify your polygons. I will check if my tool is working. Ring selection is working. Loop selection is working. What about Alt X, which I assigned? Yes, it works. Alt X for extruding. Yes, I'm very happy, guys. But make sure you also don't forget about overlays to see visible wireframe. They have to fix this because this main object is treated like wireframe, is not visible everywhere. All objects should get more transparent. Make sure you overwrite your shortcut keywords and select this, and make sure before you copy them to where program is, you load the two-factor settings. This is important. Make sure you use select by gate. I will have to replace my shortcut keywords because some of them they don't work. And I will have to send this to you. You should see they are being replaced because size of file is being changed, has been changed. Okay, now after this, when I did that, I will have to quit my application. And you will copy your shortcut keywords to folder. But this is the newest compilation. What I was thinking, some of them I will have to keep, but most of them I will overwrite, all of them. But I will have to load the two-factor settings again before I will apply new shortcut keywords. Oh no, I thought I can do in settings. This is important, otherwise it won't work. Okay, Autodesk Maya. I will check if this will be working after when I replace it. Yes, it works. No issue so far, which really makes me happy because I have overwritten all the keyboard presets. This is a little bit annoying that I have to restore two-factor settings when I import shortcut keywords. Unfortunately, if you don't do that in that way, your program won't. Some of the functions won't be applied. For example, when you assign the shortcut keyword for something and you save the file to Python, and you won't reset your application, your file won't be applied. You have to reset program after when you want to apply shortcut keyboard. Sorry that I did not focus on doing this, because I have sent shortcut keywords that you were unable to move objects to collection. You can get rid of from collection, you can put back again to collection. When you hold shift, you can parent to something, for example to light. Oh, I have to check if I can hold shift, if I can hold P. No, I have to clear parent. I also have to assign this. Oh no, I will have to change shortcut keywords. Okay. Instead of control will be shift, clear parent will be P. Again, I have to export my keyboard shortcuts, unfortunately. But because it's being saved in different partition, you have to copy them back again. It's getting a little bit annoyed. I'm getting annoyed because I've got plenty of files. Okay, I will focus on one file instead. Okay, now we can use only one lecture. Clear parent keep transform, but this one will be still working. But I did that because you will feel like working in Autodesk Maya program, exactly like in Maya. I hope you like this video. Please let me know if I didn't cover in this topic everything. Bye.